एंड टुडे वी आर डिस्कस BA सेकेंड ईयर चैप्टर ईदगाह। ईदगाह काफ़ी लेंदी है, तो हमने उसके फर्स्ट सेकंड पार्ट को और थर्ड पार्ट को डिवाइड करके पढ़ा है। वो हमने इसीलिए पढ़ा है ताकि आप लोगों को ये थोड़ा सा लेंदी ना लगे और हर एक कैरेक्टर है जो है वो समझ में आए। जैसा कि आप लोगों ने हमने फर्स्ट डे समझाया था कि हामिद है जो अपनी दादी के साथ रहता है, उनके मदर फादर दोनों नहीं होते हैं, तो कैसे वो ईदगाह जाता है और उसके दोस्तों के साथ जाते हैं और उसके दोस्त कैसे मेले में जाके टॉयज़ खरीदते हैं, मिठाइयाँ देखते हैं, कुछ झूले वगैरह हैं, जो ये सारी चीज़ें एंजॉय करते हैं। लेकिन वो एक ऐसा लड़का है छोटा सा जो कि इन सब चीज़ों को नहीं देखता उसको, क्योंकि वो थोड़े से पुअर फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है, जो उसकी सिर्फ एक दादी है जो दादी के साथ वो रहता है। तो हम लोगों ने देखा कि उसके सारे दोस्त जो हैं वो खिलौने लेते हैं, मिठाइयाँ लेते हैं, इन सब चीज़ों को एंजॉय करते हैं, लेकिन वो इन सब चीज़ों को ना छोड़ के अपनी दादी के लिए उसको एक चिमटा याद आता है कि हम दादी जब रोटियाँ बनाती हैं तो उनकी तवे से उनकी उंगलियाँ जो हैं वो जल जाती हैं, तो वो सोचता है कि ये सब चीज़ें ना खरीद के, क्योंकि ये तो वेस्टेज है, हम आज खिलौने लेंगे और कल ये टूट जाएंगे और ये बेस्ट है। लेकिन चिमटा एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि दादी को काम में आएगा और दादी के हाथों की जो हैं वो उंगलियाँ भी नहीं जलेंगी। ये सारी कहानी जो है वो उसी पर फोकस्ड है, तो उसको लेट्स कंटिन्यू करते हैं आज हम। महमूद से मोहसिन इज़ अ रास्कल हामिद, यू कम टू मी एंड आई विल गिव यू गुलाब जामुन। हामिद रिप्लाई, व्हाट्स there to rave about sweets? Books are full of bad things about eating sweets. In your heart you must be saying, if I could get it I would eat. Say Mohsin, why don't you take the money out of your pocket? I know what this clever fellow is up to. Say Mahmood, when we spent all our money he will buy sweets and tease us. After the sweets vendors there are a few hardware stores and shops of real and artificial jewelry. There is nothing there to attract the boys' attention, so they go ahead, all of them except Hamid, who stopped to see a pile of tongs. It occurs to him that his granny does not have a pair of tongs each time she bakes chapatis. The iron plate warms her hands. If they were to buy her a pair of tongs she would be very pleased. She would never burn her fingers. It would be a useful things to have in the house. What use are toys? They are what's bits of money. You can have some fun with them, but only for a very short time. Then you forget all about them. Hamid's friends have gone ahead. They are at a stall drinking shivers. How selfish they are. They bought too many sweets but did not give him one, and then they want him to play with them. They want him to do odd jobs for them. Now if any of them asked him to do something he would tell them, go suck your lollipops, it will be burn your mouth, it will give you a rush of pamphlets and boils, your tongues will be always scraps. For sweets you will have to steal money to buy them and get thrashings in the bargain. It is all written in books. Nothing will happen to my tongues. No sooner my granny see me pair of tongs, she will run up to take it from me and say, my child will show it off to the neighbors, women's folk. Soon the whole village will be saying, Hamid has brought his granny a pair of tongs. How nice he is. No one will bless the other boy for the toy they have got for themselves. Blessing of elders are heard in the court of Allah and are immediately acted on. Because I have no money, Mohsin and Mahmood adopt such arise towards me. I will teach them a lesson. Let them play with their toys and eat all the sweets they can. I will not play with toys. I will not stand and nonsense from anyone, and one day my fathers will return and also my mother. Then I will ask these chaps to, do you want any toy. How many? I will give each one a basketful of toys and teach him how to treat friends. I am not an short who by a piece worth of lollipops to tease other by sucking them myself. I know they will laugh and say, Hamid, he bought a pair of tongues, they can go to the devil. Hamid asked the shopkeeper how much for this pair of tongues. The shopkeepers look at him and seeing no older persons with him reply, it's not for you, it is for sale or not. Why should it not be for sale? Why else should I have bothered to wings it here? Why then don't you tell me how much it is? It will cost you your 6 piece. Hamid hand 6. Let me have he correct price. All right, I will be 5 piece bottom price. Take 2 or leave it. Hamid steals his heart and say, will you give it to me for 3 and proceed to walk away lest the shopkeeper screams at him, but the shopkeeper does not scream. On the contrary, he call Hamid back and give him the pair of tongues. Hamid carry it on his shoulder as if it were a gun and starts up proudly to show it to his friends. Let us hear what they have to say. Mohsin laugh and say, are you crazy? What will you do with the tongues? Hamid fingers the tongues on the ground and reply, try the throw your water carry on the ground. Everyone is his body will break. Mahmoud say, are these tongues some kind of toy? Why not? Reports Hamid. Place them across your shoulders and it is a gun. Well then your hands and it is like the tongues carried. Why saying mendicants they can make the same cleansing and a pair of timeless one smake and they will reduce all your toys to dust and much as your toys may try. He could not bend a hair on the head of my tongues. My tongues are like a brave tiger. Sami, who had bought a small tambourine, asked, will you exchange them for my tambourines? It is worth 8 piece. Thank you for this. इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम नेक्स्ट डे कंप्लीट करेंगे.